guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Glacia, and today we are going to be talking about what is a good choice to feed your dogs and animals, whatever. I am going to tell you about my dogs first. So I think my dad just went to go buy the dog food, so I don't know what it's called, but if I had it, then I would know what it's called. Here's my dog, Allie. She is a German Shepherd, and Bruno is a boy. Allie is a girl, and Bruno is a boy. He is right here. He is boxer, part pit bull, and he is so cute. And we have our pregnant dog, and she is a Chihuahua and white. Here she is. Say hi, lady. Hi. She is not in a good mood. So yeah. And here's my brother Isaiah. He does not want to be showed right now because he is doing something. And so yeah. But let's get on to my bird. So here is a good choice for your bird. Wait a sec. Here is a good choice for your bird. I have a box full of stuff that I gave her. So they do like peanuts and seeds, and they do like dried up fruit, if you have that, and walnuts and stuff. And they also love carrots and kiwi. He's almost done with that, so I need to get more. Some more. And they also like their type of hay that they have. It's not like guinea pig hay, it's different. It's made, and this is Bird Green's natural blend of alfalfa, parsley, kale, chia seed, and sweet potatoes. Pet birds. And yeah, it's called Katie Bird Greens. So it is not like the hay that you give guinea pigs. And they also, my bird loves finches, the kind of finches that guinea pigs eat. And he also likes pumpkin seeds. I bought these at Safeway, and they're normal pumpkin seeds. I need to open them real quick. They're normal pumpkin seeds, so I just feed them. I just give them one little spoonful or two. It depends on how much seeds I give them. How is this not opening? Oh, yeah. And my baby brother is just screaming. And here's my baby brother DJ. Hello. Well, I just give him this much. I give him 2 of these. So, like that.
Are those for guinea pigs?
No. And I also have finches for the guinea pigs that I'm going to get. Maybe.
What are those for?
They're for, and these are totally edible for humans. Cause,
can I do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, these are edible for humans. And yeah. Can't stop eating them.
Yummy.
Well,
Like a one?
Get one. I'm gonna see if my dog likes them. Let's see. Yeah, he does like them. Stop. He's trying to get more. Well, he does like these. She. Keep on calling her he because of Bruno. So, yeah. In the next video, I will show you guys the dog food. Better get them. No more.
Could I get some later?
Later. So yeah, make sure you smash that subscribe button and smash the thumbs up button. Comment down below what I should do next. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
That was gross.
Bye.
So bye, guys.